What financial risks do I need to transfer or protect myself from? Loss of property. Physical loss of property is an easier concept to grasp than the intangible concept of loss of income. Real assets such as a home, building, or car are appraised and valued for either the market value or replacement value. Insurance is purchased which will reimburse the policyholder in the event the property is destroyed or damaged. Property and casualty agents provide this service. Liability insurance is also part of coverages applied to home and auto coverage. If for some reason you are at fault for an injury on your property or something's caused by your vehicle, liability insurance may provide the funds to pay for a lawsuit if you're found guilty. Umbrella liability coverage provides additional funds above and beyond what is provided from the liability coverage from your homeowner's and automobile insurance policy. And a rule of thumb is to purchase coverage in the amount of 1 times your net worth. Other financial instruments can provide additional protection for your assets. Trusts can be created to provide asset protection when properly drafted by a skilled attorney.